Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO Interview Tutorials, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So don't miss to share, subscribe our channel, guys. You will find a subscribe option here once you go to our channel page, and there is a bell icon, guys. Don't miss to click on that. Reason you will get all the notification of our upcoming videos, and also go to our playlist, guys. You will find best videos related to Six Sigma certification, Excel tricks, dashboards, reports, which are actually used by team lead, quality, and trainers. And we do also have few videos regarding to the people management and also the training team related, like PKT and everything. So do check, and along with the 7QC tools. So do check, guys, and please share and subscribe the channel. Help your colleagues to get growth in their career, and they will get all the solution in our channel. Let's start with the today's topic, and that is related to skill and will issue. I have seen that the HR used to ask this particular question every time whenever there is an interview related to trainer, QA, team lead, or else a associate who is looking for a BPO job as a fresher. So these questions actually comes, and associates and most of the tenured people also fail to give the exact answer. So let's start this particular topic and understand, and we will also see the solution to get resolved from the will and the skill issue. Let's start today's topic, and we will first go with the definition or else the understanding about the will issue and skill issue. So first, what is skill issue? One who is willing to do the task but do not have capability or skill to do it. For an example, there is a newly hired associate. He actually got a complete training, but still he is getting failed in solving few of the cases, or else the calls wherein he is getting confused. Due to that, the parameter is getting marked down, his scores is also getting down. So what a quality trainer or team lead did, he asked that particular associate that what happened to you, and we got to know that there is a skill issue for the associate. Reason, the training which was given to the associate, maybe he missed out with the few topics. We will see the solution in the upcoming slide, then move to the next point, that is will issue. Will issue, one who is had a capability and skills to do the task but not willing to do it for some reason. Will issue is also a big thing that comes because of multiple reasons. We will see all the reasons today, and to be frank, guys, I will give you the reason of will issues very clearly, what actually a live situations occurred and what actually I heard from most of the associates why they get the will issue here. Okay, so will issue basically because of some demotivation, dissatisfaction, because of low motivation, self-confidence got reduced, or maybe he did not got recognized, he did not receive the awards. There will be a many reason of the will issue. He is not happy with the work what he is doing, he got bored, multiple things are there. Okay, so we will see that in our upcoming slides. So I hope you got a clear understanding on the skill issue and the will issue. Let's move to the basic reasons for the will and the skill issue. Okay, first we will see the first point. The first point says due to the knowledge gap there is a skill issue. This is understandable. Reason, there is a knowledge gap, the processor missed out with few of the topics or updates. Due to that, he got that particular error, and that is comes under the skill issue, and that can be easily solved by giving the refresher session, quality session. Post doing that, I would suggest all the trainers and quality people to conduct the PKT. Reason, PKT will give you a clear understanding that how many associate got the correct information, and the associate who did not receive the information, you will get it by the help of PKT. If you want to know what is PKT, please check out our playlist. You will get the video related to it. Okay, will issue basically, I would say in a single word, that is a behavior issue that occurs in a many ways. I won't say that associate is a troublemaker, maybe like he want to create the issues, due to that he is coming up with the will issues. No, there will be many situations, and there are many solution also to get it covered from the will issues. Okay, we'll see in our upcoming slide. Next, coaching is the best way to improve the skill issue. As I told, refresher sessions. Feedback is the best way to improve the will issue. Feedback in the sense, the team lead or the trainer need to understand the associate at what point he's facing the issue, why he got demotivated, or maybe what is his personal issue. The background check need to be done here. Skill depends on training, experience and understanding. Will depends on desire to achieve and confidence. Again, this is understandable, guys. Training and PK2 related activity, yes, with the help of this, we can definitely reduce the skill issue. Understand the background of the issue, but in a polite way. Never get angry on any of the associate, guys. So this is a corporate field rule. Always speak with a smile. Reason, a smile can solve many problems, guys. The person who is coming to you asking anything, or he required any support from you, and if you are not giving him the answers without a smile, next time he will feel that the person is not ready to help him. Maybe the person will get angry, or else he will also get a concern like that, if I go and ask something to my manager will think that I am always coming with the excuses. So I would suggest build up a rapport with your associate with a cute smile, guys. That is much needed whenever you are aligned to any of the team. And the same I would suggest to the trainer and QAs also, as you also have a team aligned to you. Next, always monitor the score and show associate about his performance. So this is about the point of skill issue, guys. I'll tell you what is the reason behind that. For an example, a newly hired associate came to the process and came to the production after the training. So it is a team lead and QA responsibility to monitor his scores. What I have seen here, the QAs and trainers, what they are doing, or else the team lead also, that they are going with the associate score on a weekly basis. That is also when they want to performance, they want to send any report, at the time they are showing their scores. In a few process I have seen that by the end of the month only the associate is getting to know that what is his particular score, until unless he will not get the information what his scores going on basically. Next to that, if you show the scores of the associate on every 2 days 3 days, what will happen here, associate will understand that okay, today he need to improve and on this particular parameter he need to improve here. So I will give you one more example here, guys. For an example, John is an associate, and his score for the month of July was trending at 95%. Due to some issues, or maybe due to some distraction, by the August month, by the end of the month, he got to know that his score got dropped to 92%. He was actually shocked, and even team lead was also shocked. I have seen that manager comes and they will ask, share me the RCA. Then team lead QA sit and they will prepare the RCA. They will find week on week performance. When they are doing this work, post they are getting a hit from the manager that they need to cross check their scores. Now tell me, guys, the associate score got dropped in August month. You guys are checking in the starting of the September month, and you are asking him why your score got dropped in the August month of second week. What answer that associate will give? He will not remember what happened at that particular time. That is the reason, guys, it's our basic responsibility. Always show the scores to the associate in every 2 or 3 days, guys. So that will help associate to motivated. One more thing I will give here, that actually I observed what happened here. I was aligned to one particular team, and I have seen that I'm only giving solution in the starting of the week, like Monday I'm showing them the scores. Now the associate will be fully pumped on Monday. He will do work hard. While coming to Tuesday, there will be 80% of monitor, 80% of strength to do the work. By coming to Thursday and Friday, his strength will get low because he don't know where the score is trending. And by end of the Saturday, the score will get dropped. That is the reason every time, every alternate days, I would suggest show them the scores. Okay, next, before moving to the conclusion, we'll see for the will issue now. Before moving for the conclusion, do check the past score of and the performance. You have seen many employees. I'll give you one more example here. There is an employee John. past 6 months his score is more than 86%. The target is 85, but his score is more than 86%, and he got a good PLI and everything is fine. Suddenly after 6 months the associate score got dropped. Without knowing the past situation or the past scores, the team lead and the QA came and bombarding the question to the associate: what happened, why the score got dropped, what are you doing, why the issue was, what is the issue here, you are a good student, you are a good employee, and you past 6 months you have given a good scores, and what happened suddenly, why this you guys are bombarding the question on him without knowing the background, that what happened to that particular associate, what happened that in the 6 month, after the 6 month the score got dropped. Maybe he got demotivated because another employee came in the picture, and he's doing more better. Maybe another employee got a promotion from the IGP, but he did not receive anything. There may be a situation wherein he was not recognized. So there are multiple situations. So always know the basic background check and then speak with the associate, and always with the positive and the cute smile. Now keep motivation for the newly hired employees. I would suggest for 2 months, at least 2 months, you, the team lead or QA or trainer, keep them motivated because they are new to the team. Okay, if they do the mistake for one time or two time, close it with the coaching until unless the mistake is not that serious. Okay, if it is not a critical, and if it is a critical, yes, there will be a different situation. I completely agree with that. Now will issue: task is boring and no proper recognition. I already told you guys. So these are the basic reason, guys, due to that we may identify will issue and skill issue in your process. Okay, I hope you guys got a clear understanding here. Now we will see will issue solutions. Skill issue, it is a very fair and simple, that the coaching is required, the training, refresher session, PKTs are required here to solve the issues. For will issue, I would suggest, guys, there are multiple way you guys can do to solve this particular concern. Okay, it totally depend on process to process. Okay, few are the things that I have implemented live while working with the process, guys. You can also do the same thing. Okay, first, rewards and recognition. Okay, few of the process, I don't think they have this particular opportunity of hall of fame. Hall of fame in the sense, every 15 days or every week publish top 10 associate name to all the managers in an email, and drop an email with a big congratulation and appreciate them that these are the toppers of last 2 weeks, with their proper photo, and recognize them over the email. This is something hall of fame, and this we can do. Second, we can also do here is, most of the process we have seen, they have a LED display in their floor. Just scroll the PPT wherein show the toppers or the associate who got a good scores, show their scores, show their video how they are motivating themselves while working over the calls. Such kind of videos can also be shown, so that other will get motivated, and they will also feel that I also want to be there, and my video also should get played if I'll get a good scores here. And next, there should be a appreciation and a stack ranking system. Most of the process, they have a stack ranking system wherein the ranking would be calculated. On the basis of that, the awards would be given to the associates. Okay, there would be a monthly award, quarterly award, and people, we may get a good amount, maybe some goodies, some gifts. So multiple things are there that will appreciate to the associates. Third point here is align additional tasks and motivate associate for the next growth. So if a team lead is aligned to 10 associate, okay, now in those 10 associate, he have seen that out of 10 there are 3 associates who have more potential than the others. Okay, now don't bring any partiality here. I would suggest don't bring. Okay, but try to give additional tasks to the associate apart from their work. Don't give all your aligned tasks. Some additional tasks that will help to grow in their next career. Like if they want to be a team lead, then team lead will do multiple things, right? At least in a free time, or ask your particular associate to work on it. Don't give your work and additional task assigned to him that is not related to you. Okay, even that is not related to any like a live process or any requirement here. Simply a additional task so that he will learn, and he or she will learn, and definitely he will come up with a better solution there, and in this way he will get motivated. Try to give him some analysis, him or her some analysis related task. Teach them about the Excel, that is much needed. Okay, teach them about the quality, people management. Take a session once in a week so that your associate will get motivated. Okay, now happy faces and no partiality among the associate. That is a fair point, guys. You need to understand this very clearly. Background check about the situation and follow this step to solve the issue if it is in your control. For an example, associate is facing issues that the other associate got promoted, but he was not got promoted right now. Due to that, the associate got demotivated and his score got down. So here the team lead responsibility will come, and he need to motivate the associate and also appreciate him for his work in front of managers, emails. Just motivate in all your possible way which is under your control. Okay, don't do any other task which is not in your control, guys, because it will lead to the consequences, because we are not authorized to do any other work which is not being suggested by the company. Okay, so always follow all these things to solve the will issues related concern. Finally, if the person is not ready to understand and he is drop the score is getting dropped, definitely he will move to BQ, then he will move to the PIP. Okay, and post going to the PIP also, like if he is not performing, then definitely HR will take the call, and team lead responsibility is there to inform the HR that post having all the suggestion, post helping the associate at all his level, he is not ready to improve, and there is a will issue which has been identified. Due to that, my score is getting down, and you can see his last 3 months of performance, and he or she was in BQ, then moved to the PIP, but not ready to improve the scores. Then HR will take a necessary call there. So this is all process that need to be followed for the will issue solution. So any concern, guys, any doubt, please share your comments in your feedback. If you have any other situation wherein you have identified there is a will or skill issue, please let me know. I will try to solve, I will try to help you guys, and definitely we all together will improve the process, and we will be the best in our team, guys. So that's all from my side with regards to the will and skill issue, and please do share, subscribe the channel, share it with your colleagues, show them how they can improve on this particular concern, and just like it, guys, if I give you the correct information, and that is seriously helping you for your particular process. Check out our Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn page, guys. You will find multiple information related to vacancies, and many more tutorials related videos will be there. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.